Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. And firstly, we should add this feature to the gesture, because by default we cannot volume control audio, but we can add it. You need to install and set up QCY app. Then you should, of course, add your earbuds to the application and your headphones should be turned on. Then the application opened for you headphones menu. You need to go to the settings at the middle top, and right here we have gestures. So by default single press it's set to none, so we can add it for the single press, but also if you want to you can add volume control to double press or triple press. So tap at the best one for you, and then select voice assistant. Volume down or volume up. So for the left earbud, for the single press, I want to volume down my music. As you can see, for the double press also we have volume control, and for this triple press. And for the right one, I want to add volume up. Now let me play some song and let's check is it work. So single press at my right earbud. The touch area is located at the back side of each earbud, right here at the top, and as you can see at this widget, with a single press I increase the volume. Now let's try to lower the volume, so single press at the left earbud, and look at this widget, it also works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!